Black water curls around the cypress knees. Moonlight tangled up in Spanish moss and memories. I push my little boat through the breathing dark. Every ripple feels like a beating heart. I taste the thunder in the summer air, feel ancient feathers in the silence there. Something older than the river's flow, watching from the shadows where I go. Down on the pearl where the lost world lingers, ghost drums beating in the mist on my fingers. Hear the cry roll through the trees, sharp and still, like a ghost come calling, Ivory-billed. Down on the pearl where the past runs deeper, I'm rolling through a dream that the world can't keep here. Every echo in the dark says it's real. When I hear that ghost drum, Ivory-billed. Fog rising soft from the cypress roots, old story sleeping in the flooded brush and tangled shoots. I see a shadow flash where the branches sway, like a painted wing, just a breath away. The night is humming with a hidden song, a broken rhythm that's been gone so long. I hold my breath as the forest stares, like the river's keeping all its prayers. Down